Hi everyone, welcome to Johnson's Corner. Today I would like to talk about the Kreg K4 Pockethole Jig. I am using it to build some modular workbenches. Setting up the jig is really quite easy. It's all based on the thickness of the material you're using. In my case, I'm using 2x4s, so I set the drill guide to 1.5. The clamp is adjusted to fit the size of the material as well. The drill bit is adjusted based on the thickness of the material. You line up the stepped part of the bit to the correct thickness on the jig. And you tighten the lock collar. The jig needs to be fastened securely to a work surface. It has a built-in recess to hold a clamp. The guide holes in the drill block are marked A, B, and C. If the board you are drilling is 1 to 2 inches wide, you would use B and C. If it's 3 inches wide, A and B. And if it's 4 to 5 inches wide, you would use A and C. There are holes in the jig, so it could be mounted permanently to a bench or to its own workstation. I think Pockethole joinery is a great choice for many projects. It's quick and easy, and it makes a secure joint. Thanks for watching, everyone. See you next time.